startup of the other American Standard unit. I already got that one starting up, and then I got a running video of these two units. So now to start up this other unit. 2014 5-ton. The heat pump. There's the bushing valve over there. Already cold, so it's looking good. So, I'm glad I got this when I did because my phone's starting to run low. So, yeah. This one should be turning back on soon. Yeah. There's the fan. It's blowing nice and hot. We're working great. Again, this one's from 2013 and it's a 5-ton. This one is from 2014 and it's a 5-ton. And they are both heat pumps. So yeah. Here are the disconnect boxes. They are Midwest disconnect boxes. There's the other one. So yeah. There was a startup of both of these units. I got this one starting up a little bit ago. Then I got a running video of it. Of both of them. And then now I just got that one starting up. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.